All this work is done by a professional brick mason. Please don't attempt this at home on your own. These stones can be heavy. You'll break your back. Johnny said he broke his back the other day.
Johnny said that?
He said he hurt his back.
Probably did if he's picking up on something
Yeah.
like this. That's when you gotta have two people.
Yeah. Well, he had Lee with him.
On two people.
He had Lee with him.
See, this needs to come over.
Don't make it. Don't let it look like it lean back a little bit.
Huh?
Looks like it leaned back a little bit.
Okay. That's much better. All right, let me go get the other piece. Is this the way it went?
Thick end towards the back.
Okay. Gotta go like this then, right?
Yep.
Oh, where it fit.
Lean it out a little. Pull it out.
Just throw the frags in and we'll watch it.
All right. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, people. It ain't going nowhere now.
I'm making it go down in the mud, bumping it.
Yeah. You got your rubber. You got your rubber hammer.
I don't need it. I
Okay.
use my hand. I'm that good. Then you come back and heal in. You got to do a little work on the inside. Then we move to the next stage. See all that? Make that, then come back and sponge this out. You make it solid. Because the fire get big enough, that fire get up that high inside.
Yeah.
So the best thing to do is make it solid. You don't want no leaks.
You don't want no.
No leaks.
You don't want no smoke coming out the cracks either.
No leaks. No leaks. No.
Might need to shove some right in there, David.
Yep. No leaks. And then I do the inside the same way I'm doing that.
What? Fill the
Yep. Fill all the cracks.
Fill all the cracks.
Make it solid. You got to make it solid.
If you guys have been enjoying the fireplace construction, stay tuned, people. We'll show you the finished product. It won't be for a. You ain't gonna put the stone on it for probably a couple weeks, huh?
It might be longer than that. We got to go somewhere else right now.
Could be a month till this thing's completed.
Yeah.
We're just getting it roughed in right now.
We're just trying to get it up to the wood, then we're gonna quit before we cut a hole through the top of the house.
I don't know who's gonna cut the hole. Probably me.
Yeah. They say Ken's gonna cut the hole.
That'll be a first for me.
Never be the last.
Yeah. There's many facets to the world of construction, people. This is just one of them. Stay tuned, and we'll let you know on the next couple steps.